Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. It's time. Let's do ID.3 versus Hyundai Kona Electric. Yes, it's a bit early and we don't know a lot of things, but come on, let's do this. And of course, everybody has a different opinion. This is just what I think and what I like about cars. So everybody will think that something else is better or worse than the other car. So for me, size-wise, I go from outside to inside. Size-wise, the Kona was a tiny bit too big for me. I would like a smaller car. So here's where the ID.3 is getting a point. Interior-wise, the Kona was not very big, and they say that the ID.3 will be bigger inside, so that will be nice. We'll see. So both points because we don't know. Motor, I'm pretty sure that the Kona is more powerful than the ID.3 and will be more fun driving when it comes to acceleration. What I also think, and this is a big problem for me, I'm guessing that ID.3 will have similar Regen than the e-Golf, so you put it in D, and then if you have a low Regen, if you want more Regen, you have to put it in B. So e-Golf has this, Nissan Leaf has this, and I'm not a fan of that. I would like to have sort of like the Nissan e-pedal, so one pedal driving where you mostly don't have to step on the brakes. I would like that. And Kona is just amazing because you can set the level of three levels of Regen. You can save that to each drive mode, and it's just there the whole time as you want it. And I like that a lot. Connectivity, ID.3 will be better with over-the-air update, with app support and stuff like this. Even though Hyundai announced that the Kona will get app support in the new version next year. So that's great. Charging wise, AC, right now the Kona is not as good, but again the updated version will have a 3-phase 11 kilowatt charger, so it will be the same as the ID.3. DC charging, if the Kona stays on the same level, I think ID.3 will be better. Will go up to 100 or maybe even more, because I'm pretty sure it's very important to them that with the Ionity chargers that they get that power. Where are we? Range is a bit more in the Kona, but I don't care. 50 kilometers, that's fine. I mean, it's 55 to 64 kilowatt hours. Not 50, 58 to 64. It's a bit more, yes, but that's not a factor for me. Warranty is about the same. I don't know about the warranty on the car, because Hyundai had 5 years on the whole car. I don't think that Volkswagen will do that. The battery will have, and maybe the drivetrain will have a longer warranty, but I'm guessing that the car itself will only have 2 years, maybe 3. We'll see. Yes, but of course a big thing for me is the price. Right now, Hyundai Kona, the version that I want, is at over 40. I think it's 43 or something, and then minus the incentive we get in Germany, it's 41. Maybe with a bit of they don't give a lot of. You don't get it cheaper that well, and it's hard to order. Yes, so let's say 40. And ID.3, the launch edition will be 40, but then you get incentives on that, and just the whole package for me, it seems like that the ID.3 is better for me. It just fits me better how I use the car and everything. But we have to drive it and see. Maybe Volkswagen is getting a worse car than I thought, or maybe it's getting way better. Maybe the Regen is great in that car. We don't know yet. We have to drive. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.